In a small town, two siblings lived in different worlds.
A challenge will test their resolve.
As one rises, the other struggles to keep up.
Sometimes, the truth is hidden in the quiet moments.
And when the moment comes, everything changes.
Hello, and welcome to Sharing Insights. Here, we inspire and empower your passions. Subscribe to level up with us.
Two siblings lived in a small town. Raya, the older sister, was beautiful, popular, and athletic. But deep down, she was arrogant and looked down on others, especially her brother, Ryan.
Haha. Ryan, why do you waste your time drawing? It's not like you'll ever make a living from it.
Drawing makes me happy, Raya. That's all that matters.
Ryan was suffering from a viral infection that made him paralyzed. His condition was called polio, which never dimmed his spirit. He loved art and saw the world through vibrant colors. But Raya couldn't see his talent.
It's all my fault. Had I taken care of Ryan's vaccines and hygiene, my child would not have suffered.
No, love. This isn't your fault. I know his disability will never dim his shine.
Ryan spent hours each day sketching with his hands, shaky but full of passion. His drawings were full of life. Despite his sister's mockery, he didn't let her words break him.
There's beauty in everything, even in struggles.
One October morning, Ryan stumbled upon something called Inktober, a challenge where artists create drawings for 31 days.
This is perfect. I'll join Inktober and challenge myself every day.
Raya, overhearing him, rolled her eyes.
Good luck with that, Ryan. As if drawing every day will get you anywhere.
Raya, confident in her abilities, decided to join Inktober too, hoping to prove her superiority, a feeling above others. She thought it would be easy.
I'll win this and show Ryan who's the real artist in the family.
As the days of Inktober passed, Ryan's art started gaining attention on social media. His unique drawings, filled with depth and emotion, began to touch people's hearts.
Someone commented, "Your art is beautiful. You capture the soul of every moment."
Raya, however, became frustrated. Her art wasn't receiving the same praise, and she couldn't understand why.
How is this happening? How is Ryan getting more attention than me?
On the final day of Inktober, Ryan worked on his last piece, pouring his heart into it. He called it resilience, meaning strength to overcome hardships, a delicate flower blooming among sharp thorns.
It's about never giving up, even when things get tough.
Raya, on the other hand, struggled to complete her drawing. Her mind was clouded with frustration.
Why can't I draw anything good?
The day of the Inktober results arrived. Raya stood confidently, expecting to win. But when the judges announced the winner, it wasn't her name they called, it was Ryan's.
The winner is Ryan for his powerful piece, Resilience, which captured the spirit of perseverance and beauty in hardship.
Raya stood frozen, shocked. Her brother, whom she had always made feel smaller, belittled, had won. The room filled with applause. Their parents clapped the loudest.
I told you, he will shine in life. I am so proud of him.
Yes, dear, I am so happy for our boy.
As Ryan accepted the award, the room filled with applause. But what he said next surprised everyone.
I dedicate this to my sister, Raya. She pushed me to be better every day, and I couldn't have done this without her.
Raya's heart softened at her brother's words. She realized how wrong she had been all along. After the ceremony, Raya approached Ryan with tears in her eyes.
Ryan, I'm so sorry. I was wrong to doubt you. Your art is incredible, it's extraordinarily amazing and impressive, and I'm proud to call you my brother.
I always knew you'd understand, Raya.
From that day forward, the siblings became closer than ever. Raya supported Ryan's art, and they even started working on projects together, combining her writing with his drawings. Their work inspired others to embrace differences and overcome challenges.
Let's show the world what we can create together, Ryan.
Together, we can create something truly special.
Ryan's victory in Inktober wasn't just a win for him. It was a turning point in both their lives, a reminder that true strength comes from within, and that family can help us grow in unexpected ways.
Let's revise.
Together, we can protect every child from polio and create a healthier future. All they need is love, care, and understanding. If this story inspired you, share and subscribe, and let's spread the message of prevention and hope.